Okay, so let's go together through this presentation. Okay, so you can see that here number 12 is represented like I showed you a minute ago. Yeah, 2 hands with extended fingers and then 2 more fingers. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay, so as it says here, number 12 can be shown in lots of different ways. A 10 frame, a word, number blocks, and these different kind of number blocks. These are actually called numicons. Okay, so these 10 frames make 12 when they are put together. Now, how can you be sure that they show the number 12? Okay, so let's count and see. Let's skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, so this is number 12. Okay, now do you know what this word says? Exactly, this is the word how we write number 12. It's a tricky word. If we try to sound it out, it's going to be t, w, e, l, v, e. Oh no, I misspelled it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I knew I did something wrong. So sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so this is number 12 written as a word. Now, oopsie. How much is being shown? Okay, so you can just click through this and see different ways how you can represent number 12. And every time when you want to check if it's really number 12, you can count. Again, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 or skip counting 2, 4, 6. Okay, now it says, can you spot the number 12 on number line? Click the hand to reveal the answer. Here it is between numbers 11 and 13. Okay, this is the number line like the one we have on the board. Okay, but still it's in the same place between numbers 11 and numbers 13. Okay, it says now here, a little task. Click the hive to make the bees buzz around. Can you make 12 buzzy bees appear? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then you can do it again. Now it says here, Mandy wants to find a jar of sweets with 12 sweets. Can you help her? Okay, so let me try. I can see that here already, just looking at this, I can see that this is definitely not the one, that this has way less than 12. Okay, so it has to be one of these two. Let me count. I can see, so 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And this one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I think it's this jar, but I'm not going to click on it. You're going to check it at your homes. Okay, now we said last time that numbers can be used as labels. So it says, have you noticed how numbers can be used for labels too? For example, the number on a bus or number on a door. Have you ever seen a house with a number 12 on a door? I wonder. Okay. Have you ever looked for numbers in your classroom? Or on your walk to school? Numbers are everywhere. Can you spot the number 12 in your classroom? Well, guys, right now nobody's in our classroom, but this can be a challenge for you to go around your house and take a look if you can see numbers anywhere, okay? So I can sometimes see numbers, for example, on my stove. You sometimes have like those counters. And maybe on other different devices we very often have some numbers. So take a look and tell me if you've managed to find number 12. Okay, and these are some fun challenges. So I'm going to try out 1 or 2 with you now. It says, quickly find something in the classroom that shows the number 12. Again, you will have to do this in your home. I don't know what it could be, but it could be a clock on the wall, or if you maybe have 12 blocks at hand, or maybe 12 coloring pencils. That's how many usually comes in a pack. Let's go back and let's try the pink star, and says, can you do 13 nods? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God, this is a great exercise. Okay, but can you do all 12? Okay, so this was the presentation that you can take a look at home, okay, to see different ways of representing number 12. Then what is the next thing you're going to do? For today, you're going to use a little bit different worksheet. It's this one, all about the number 12. Okay, so first you're going to have to fill in the 10 frame. Okay, and here you can practice writing number 12. Now, as you can see, these numbers here are quite spacious. So I say that this is where you need to take out not your pencils, but your color pencils, and trace over each of these numbers more than once, several times, to practice forming these numbers. I mean this number, but these digits. Okay, and then you have two tasks from the presentation: to draw 12 bees buzzing around the hive. Guys, you don't have to make perfect bees. You can just make yellow circles with, you know, a little bit of black stripes. They don't have to be perfect. And then the next one says, which sweet jar has 12 sweets? Again, you will have to count and choose the correct jar. Okay, so this is your worksheet for today, practicing number 12. Now, after you've done that, we also sent you a little game, Miss Stephanie and I. Okay, so you will also see that we sent something like this. You don't have to print this, but this is something to help you with skip counting. Okay, you have numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So the more you say it, it's easier going to be for you to remember the numbers when you're skip counting. Now, what you're actually going to do is play a little game, which is all about skip counting. So let's hear it. You will first see this funny hippo rolling its eyes while the game is...
Alice is counting on by twos. Which number follows 20?
Okay, so it says she's counting on by twos, so which number follows 20? We have 20 here, and if we're skip counting in twos, we're going to skip over 21 and go directly to 22. Okay, so you can see that, wait a second. Oh, great. That you have these fish here, and with them there are numbers 22, 18, 24, and 16. So we said from 20, next number is 22. So let's see what happens if I double click on this fish. 1, 2.
Well done. You're on though.
Okay.
Sean is counting on by twos. Which number follows?
Good going.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally clicked the question.
Aaron is counting on by twos. Which number follows 20?
Okay, so again, we are starting from number 20. Okay, so if you don't have a number line at home, you also have here. Okay, so you can look here. You have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you just look at the blue squares, 14, 16, 18, 20, and the next is 22. So if you skip counting from 20, the next should be 22. Let's see.
On a roll.
Okay, so you can try 3 on your own. For a bit more, you might need to sign up. It's for free, but it will take a little bit of your mommy's and daddy's time, unfortunately. Okay, guys, this was number 12. Please fill out your worksheets and send me a picture of them. Okay, I hope you had fun, and I will see you soon when you're ready with this to do some fun things in our science lesson. See you soon!